Hey guys!
Yep, we're naked.
We like getting naked.
And vulnerable.
It's been a while since I feel like we've gotten on camera naked. Today
my skin is like, I've got some underground pimpleage happening here, and we're just gonna not look at it.
Mine's been angry all up in here, so.
But I mean, like, I don't have any active
volcanoes, yeah.
We decided to try some of the new Milani products on our face. We've never tried them before. We're real excited.
Tracy was talking about these eyeshadow palettes recently to me, and she was like, we have to find them, and we couldn't find them, and luckily we got sent some of this from PR.
Because my biggest complaint about Milani Cosmetics is that they're not anywhere in our stores.
In our town.
Of the, like, new variety.
Yeah. Like, we will get the new stuff months later. But
if ever.
If ever, yeah. If at all. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy seeing us try new makeups. It's one of my favorites. But also,
if you can relate to the fact that you can't find the stuff that you want to find in your drugstore when it's out.
I know it's not just us.
Yeah.
I've heard people talk about it. It stinks. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell.
All right.
Ba-blam.
What's the first product we're going to use? It's this Instant Touch-Up Blur Stick. Actually, in fact, did see this in a store.
Did you?
I think I saw it in Ulta. It says it instantly smooths, mattifies, and controls shine.
I don't necessarily want something to mattify, but I definitely do want something that kind of blurs pores.
Yeah.
And wrinkles.
Yeah.
And imperfections.
Yeah.
I just want to blur my face out, just a little filter. I preach when they do that stuff for like people not touching it, but like, I want to get in that package.
Okay.
Creates a seamless finish for a pre-makeup canvas.
What does it say to do?
Weightlessly fills in lines and minimizes look of pores and imperfections. It doesn't say what to do. You have to figure it out. Just rub it on. Off first rub, it feels like, you know,
silicone-y.
Real greasy.
Ew.
Oh. No, my forehead, it's not doing on my forehead. I don't know, it just feels grease-bally. My forehead just feels greasy. Everywhere else is starting to feel powdery. My forehead feels like a grease ball.
I don't like the way it feels. I don't really like this kind of thing. If I'm gonna use it feels like I'm putting a very thick balm.
It feels like a balm. I don't know. So we also, guys, have this Conceal and Perfect all-in-one concealer.
4 looks like it could go under the eyes.
I need to feel the consistency first, I think, to know if it's up my alley. If it's too thick, I don't want to put it under my eyes.
Right. I just went in with it.
I mean, I can use the pink under my foundation, right?
Yeah.
That's what I'll do. I feel like my under eyes look brighter. You really went in?
I went in.
I feel like I should go in more, okay? I gotta give it its best chance. So we're gonna put our own foundation on and eye primer and BRBs.
Okay, so they have 2 palettes. This is called Bold Obsessions, and it's the one I'm going to use.
I'm probably gonna use mostly the Most Loved mattes, but if I feel like I need a shimmer color for my lid, I might come to yours. I'm not gonna do a crazy look with these palettes. I just wanna do something like what I would normally do. I feel like that's good when you're getting new palettes like this. Because it's like, can I get my everyday look? And then you go, okay, can I also do something different so I have multiple looks? Because like with this one, you could do a warm look, a neutral look, or a purple look. Like, they're just nice and rode.
I just want to praise the packaging real quick. What I love about it is that it's a good size, has a good number of shadows.
It's got a giant mirror.
Really, yeah, good mirror, good size shadows. Also, the names are on the back.
Okay, now for the downside.
Hold on. Also, if you see,
names.
No, look. So this is sunrise, sunset, and nightfall.
Mine says daytime, anytime, playtime.
So see, it's by the rows, like she was saying.
Right.
So like essentially, you could go all the way down each row for a look. Or you could just mix and
play with
match.
it. The only downside I see right now is this right here. See this?
Yes. It's gonna get fingerprinted, but
up.
whatever.
Let's put some shadows on the face.
I'm gonna first take this Bear in Mind color over here and just kind of put it everywhere, just as like a base color.
This is a brush kit. It's called Jet Set Brush Kit. It's got a crease, an all-over shadow, and a blending. It's everything that you would need. I mean, from what I can tell, it's everything you would need. I haven't tried it yet, so I don't know if they're like great brushes. And then the other brushes that they sent are a highlighter blending brush and the Universal Kabuki. I would use this for contour and this for highlight.
Contour?
I don't really have anything for blush. I'll still have to use some of my brushes.
I wonder what the cost of this palette is.
Okay, I'm gonna go in with, I think it's called Catch a Tan. This one right here. I'm gonna put that in a crease.
How much do you think these palettes cost?
$9.99. Not 9 or 12? 15?
Nope.
20. Jeez Louise. All right, we're gonna get really
we have high hopes. I mean, $20 is going into...
It's going into the Too Faced little, like, you know those little palettes that were like 20 something? No, they're like 30.
36.
Something like that.
I'm gonna get this Can't Pink Straight, which doesn't really look pink at all right here, but it's this lightest color. I'm gonna put it in my brow bone.
This brush is not very dense, and like if you watch it, when it goes in my eye, Tracy can tell you, like it just kind of like flops over.
It's really willing to bend over.
Yeah, so shout out to our old videos. I'm gonna try the crease brush and see if I can like, oh, see now this one's too dense. It's like, this won't blend because it's like it needs the right amount of stiffness, but like flexibility. I mean, it's not doing what I want. In a pinch it might, but I wanna give these eyeshadows their fair chance.
And you need your brush.
Yes.
I just want a different color on my lid. I'm gonna put this Sands of Time.
I'm doing the tan one still in my eyes, but.
Makes me think of Days of Our Lives, but that's not the color I want it to be either.
Oh no.
I'm gonna try this middle gold one.
I'll say those look like they would
glitter.
apply better if you use your finger.
But I don't want to use my finger.
I mean, I'm just saying.
Can you only apply those real shimmery ones with your finger?
No, but it like makes it more pigmented.
Okay,
sometimes.
let me try. I'll tell you this gold glitter color is real,
Chunky.
yeah.
Why is it so chunky?
I don't know, but it's all over my face. But
can
for
try-
$20 at this point, I would be just getting the Stila or something high end, like, because
You could try like a Fix Plus or something to make it apply. I mean, it's not my favorite for blending so far, but
I mean, if this had been like $12, okay, I'm gonna take this, what are you called? Sweet as Honey. It's this top middle color, and I'm gonna put it in the crease and just see what happens.
you know, I'm not mad at this, what it's turning out to be. It's just not my favorite for applicationary reasons. Is that a word? I don't know. Is that a word? I'm gonna give my eyes extra warmth with this color and just put some Hiking in Sedona on my eyes.
Such a random color name. Kind of like when we were like falling on our eyes in the middle of the fall leaves tutorial. I sometimes can't do my makeup until I've got my lower lash line there because I need it to be like something down there.
Something down there?
Yeah. So I'm going to use Brunettes Have Fun. This little dark brown here. And we're going to put that on the lower lash line because I said that's what I want to do. So I'm going to do it.
Why you gotta have a reason, you know?
I don't know.
My eyes are going a lot darker than anticipated, but you know, that always happens to me.
Sometimes you anticipate one way, sometimes you anticipate the other.
I think you just made a word.
No, you're like going a lot darker than I anticipated,
I said anticipated.
Uh-huh.
You hear a lot of things that I say differently. You sure it ain't your ears?
Mm-mm.
All right, getting it. I don't know if this is gonna do. I'm gonna try this color. It is Umber the Sun.
I'm gonna use between Blazing Hot and Red Between the Lines, which is Blazing Hot here, Red Between the Lines here. And we're gonna just see what happens. Don't really know how I want to do it. I'm gonna try the matte first and see what happens. It's real red. I'm scared.
It's a lot darker than I thought, but like in a good way.
It's funny, like I used 2 shimmery colors and this look is not very shimmery right now.
Maybe their shimmer does not deliver.
Like it wasn't that funny, but like it was
kind of funny.
but not really.
It was like funny on our level, but like everyone else, it was probably like,
Dad joke.
that's a bad punsy.
Bad
punsy.
I don't know if that was your spit or mine.
So there's some spit happened.
Spit happened, spit's flying.
Spit happens. So if I had
Hit the fan.
if I had to guess, it probably was my spit.
Okay, I think I need a little bit of darkness. So I think I'm gonna go in that brown Brunettes Have Fun.
Why do I always do that with my mouth? What is it?
And just give it a little.
I'm not mad at this eyeshadow right now, currently.
But are you like happy at it?
Also, a little in video promotion, I just wanted to shout out our Facebook exclusives group
Oh.
because I love it.
do
It's
too.
Madison and Mallory exclusives, and we do, like, you can shop our Facebook, and we post about 3 new items a day, sometimes more. And it's free shipping for US customers. So that's kind of a fun thing. You can get affordable items, but like with free shipping. So we'll also link that down below if you guys haven't joined that already. We're also doing a giveaway on there right now for
Yeah, if you're ever
a gift
like,
card.
ew, that top's real cute, but I only want one thing and I don't want to pay shipping, it's a good, like...
Right. And also, I want to start posting more, like, things on there, like, where we can chat with you guys. We already kind of try to get your opinions on things that we should buy, and I like that because it feels like a collaborative effort. I like it. So, I want to do more of that. Fancy Vanilla. I like having a real white highlight. Like, even though it wants me to use this color, it's just a little dark for Mama. Mama likes it real light on her brow bone.
Okay, I just went back and touched my lid I don't know if that's gonna stay or not, but it's there right now.
Oh no. No. No, I need
Use-
something wet. Okay, I'm gonna put it on the brush.
And then spritz it.
And spritz it. We're gonna try this. We're gonna try this sorcery and see if it's a thing. This is Prep, Fix Plus. I was like, this is Prep and Prime. Let's see if it works.
I think I'm just gonna pop on mascara. We don't have Milani mascara. And I'm not doing eyeliner because,
It's still falling out. This kind of eyeshadow needs like glitter glue.
yeah,
It's so beautiful. It just doesn't translate. Just kidding.
I don't know.
I'm gonna steal her little shimmery, what are you? Sands of Time? I'm gonna see if that works in my inner corner. All the highlight glitters.
I hate doing my lower lashes.
We don't have mascara. Have you tried
I've
it yet?
tried it.
Is it good or bad? Should I try it?
Um,
I'm just gonna go for it.
it kind of
It's a
makes me
benefit
think
mascara.
of like Roller Lash or like their real. Okay, we don't have blushes, right?
No, Verdict is still out on this. I kind of like what it did in my eyelashes. What? The
Yeah,
big?
it's real intense. Wasn't expecting it.
You sounded Britishy. I guess so. Then I guess we have to do our own.
Yeah, I've reduced my makeup bag carryings, and so just using my Dallas.
I'm gonna use my butter bronzer.
My face just lost 5 pounds.
We gotta try their highlight, guys. This
Yes.
is like where a chunk. Okay, we've got 4. We got 2 highlight palettes and 2 highlights. We got these 2 in what is the color? Okay, Luminous Light and Luster Light.
They're hypnotic.
They're called hypnotic lights, and they're highlights. I'm gonna
These are
swatch
called Stellar Lights, these palettes. And the top one is in Holographic Beams. And this one is in Rose Glow. Gonna be honest, probably need to go for the Rose Glow.
They're not really swatching well. They're very powdery, but that could translate differently on the face. Those are swatching way better. Way better.
This is the holographic one. These are more festival vibes.
Oh my goodness.
That center color looks like this one.
But like that one's more
A little
intense.
darker, yeah.
I would have put that on my eyes. If I put the white one on my nose, see, that's what it looks like.
Looks like you dipped your nose in something
know.
you shouldn't have.
So like that needs to go like that. Oh my god. Oh no. It needs a little gold.
What color are you highlighting with? Are you mixing?
I think I need to. Cause the gold tones down the see, the gold tones it down a little bit. It's still real
Can I
bright
try
on my
the
nose.
gold middle
I
color?
might try I think I'm gonna mix it here first in the like lighter color. It's just this white one is just collecting whatever's on my brush a little bit. I actually don't hate the light color. It actually is kind of bling bling.
Okay, I'm doing that light pinky rose goldy color because I just don't feel like it's showing up.
Yeah, the gold isn't showing a whole lot. I mean, but like, I'm not mad on my makeup. Like, I feel pretty glam. I mean, for me. Want to try their lippies, but which one do you want to try? Got a bunch of these glitter toppers too, but these aren't up our alley game.
Okay, this is the Milani Enchanting a more shine liquid lip color. They're shine.
So they're liquid lip colors though. They're gonna set, right?
I don't know because it's a shine.
But it's
Glossy.
liquid, maybe. We'll see. Oh no. Oh no, that's real dark. We're gonna do it.
It has an interesting curved.
It feels good.
Uh-huh.
Like the brush.
Like, of our options, like, this isn't quite the color I'd go for, but
Same.
this is just what we had. I really like the way it feels, though. It's less shiny than I thought it was going to be.
So vampy.
Yeah.
You know, I feel like I wear vampy colors better than like the light colors.
Yeah. All right, quick breakdown of what we thought of everything.
Okay. Eyeshadow palette, good.
Yeah.
Shimmery eyeshadows, a little hard to work with in the shimmer palette.
If you can get it on sale, get it on sale.
Yes. Eyeshadow brushes, so-so. It might be like a user preference. I prefer this to be a little more dense and this to be a little less dense. Need to marry them somehow. And the all over eyeshadow brush is a little bit thick.
The concealer was just, I mean...
Honestly, it was just a palette concealer.
Yeah.
And I don't really usually go for those. I like more liquid concealers.
The highlights didn't blow my mind.
These highlights are not as exciting to me. I didn't put them on. Swatch-wise, not as exciting. These swatch well, they show up, but
it's not like, oh my god, that's an amazing highlight. What are you wearing on your face?
they're good. I would, if I was going to recommend one thing, I would recommend this one because it's natural. So I would recommend that if you need an affordable highlight.
I like the
lipstick's
lip
good.
color. Feels good.
I thought it was stickier than it is when it's on your lips.
It just has
It's
a
not that
nice
sticky.
move around, like it's not setting or
I
anything.
mean, it
but
might set. I don't know, but and the balm thing is okay.
I don't really like that thing.
It was not. I mean, my makeup looks good, so maybe it's doing, but
Yeah.
it felt kind of balmy.
Yeah.
All right, guys.
I just one last note on the eyeshadow.
Let it go.
For $20,
It's a lot.
it's a lot for a drugstore palette. And to hear people talk about it, I was expecting a little bit more.
Yeah.
It's pretty.
Good.
But I would rather, I would, 15.
15.
15.
All right, guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Click subscribe, notification bell, and check out all of our links below for our store and everything, social medias.
Let us know what other videos you want to see, and we're going to talk to you guys in another video so super soon.
We sure will.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more Get Ready With Me videos, you can click the video on the right.
And if you missed our previous video, you can click the video on the left.
And if you still haven't subscribed, you can click that circular channel icon and it'll sub you right up.